Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the gorgeous Moondrops box from Simply Gilded. Now, as always, I do customer service for Simply Gilded, and that's why I received my box early. But if you are a subscriber, you will receive a shipping confirmation by the end of the month. And if you're not subscribed yet, please feel free to check out the website, and the box will go back live by the end of the day or tomorrow at the latest. Now, as you can tell, this month is a celestial theme, which Irene likes to do at least once a year, and this box just does not disappoint. I mean, it has so much inside. I actually don't know how she fit everything inside this box, but it's one of my favorite themes, and this color scheme is very, it's beautiful, but at the same time, it's very soothing, very celestial. It has this soft blue-gray colors that are gradient and go into like soft purples and little pinks right there in the corner. We have this beautiful moon design right in the middle. And the moon has all these little drops, these little jewels that are kind of draped on it, and they're, you can see them here in holo foiling. So it's really beautiful, and I love this font, this beautiful new font that Irene is using. Now, in the back, we have little juniper kind of flying in the sky, like in the middle of all the planets. Again, very kind of galaxy kind of theme. And if you're a fan of galaxy theme, you're definitely gonna love this box. But let me actually start with the little list of everything that is included, and I will be sharing everything but not the mystery items, so I will not ruin anybody's surprise. Now, this month we're getting the full journaling card, designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kit and seals, large printed pochette, A5 stitch binding notebook with any Plans Printables collab, guys. I'm so excited about it. Then engraved gel ink pen, vellum sticky notes, and then the deluxe acrylic washi stand with sparkling charm. If you have not seen it in Irene's previews, this is a beauty. And then mystery item, which again I will not share. Now, usually I start with the beautiful journaling card because how gorgeous is she? And I guess she's a girl. I am deciding she's a girl, but look at the colors. Again, this is more of the soft lavenders kind of scheme, less of a gray, but again, gradient colors. And then we have the moon, and this time the foil here is the silver sparkler holo, which is kind of like shattered glass kind of effect, which is so beautiful. And again, you can use I use these in my planners for dashboard, but you can use it as a page marker, you can frame it so many ways, or use it as a card if you would like. Now, another thing that we included this month and that I always love are the little sticky cards because they're beautiful and useful at the same time. Now, this month, again, they're vellum and they are so pretty. It's an oval shape, and again, gradient colors from a darker to a lighter pink. I mean, from a kind of gray blue to a light pink. And then we have the little stars the shooting stars, the moon going all around it in an holo foil. And you can use the little micro pen that we have included in the past to write on them. Now, this is something I was so excited about. This is the A5 insert that we received this month. Now, Irene usually includes a B6. In the past, we have included a pocket, but she has included A5s in the past. And this month, this A5 is really special, not only for the beautiful design, the paper that is kind of buttery soft, and the beautiful, again, the silver sparkler holo foil on the moon, but if you open it up, this is a collab with Annie of Annie Plans Printables, and she makes my favorite inserts of all time. This is what I use every month. She has my favorite layouts, and she collabed with Irene to come up with this beautiful layout. So this can be actually your planner. You don't need to use a planner, or if you don't want to use a planner, this is perfect for your list for shopping or whatever you want to use it, like meal planner, whatever you want. Now, if you want to use it as a planner, all you have to do is just add the dates on the top, and since it's not dated, you can skip a week if you don't want to. And then you have these columns, so here you can just use your stickers that come in the kit to you put little icons for things that you have to do, etc. So this is beautiful. It's just like a soft gray also color. And you already have kind of the header, so she's already giving you kind of a structure of what you can do. So it's 3 days on one side, then there's 2 days, the Saturday and the Sunday, I mean the Thursday and Friday, and then the Saturday and the Sunday are here on the side. And Annie has also included a little something extra for our subscribers, so look out for a little card that is included in the box. Next up, I want to share the beautiful pen, and Irene always includes her pens that are beautifully designed. They are substantial pens, so they're nice weight to them. They're 0.5 millimeter gel ink, and this one has, again, the celestial kind of like galaxy design. The barrel has like a little dark gray, but with a little bit of gradient colors, and then we have the planets and then little bows around it, so it's just like a very little moons over here, so it's super beautiful. Silver metal this time, clearly to go with the pen, and again, this write beautifully. I keep one in my purse, and they are, you know, I like to change them whenever I change my layout. Now, next thing is the stickers that we're going to receive in the sticker pack. So this is the Deluxe Sticker Kit, which you can also purchase separately for $10. And if you order it as a separate subscription, it will come in a little sticker folder that has the same pattern as the box. That it will come as a beautiful planets on, a little bow in the middle. So that's super cute, but it only comes if you purchase it as a separate subscription. We can ship it for free with your full box or with your washi only. Now let's take a look at the stickers that you can use in your planner. So this is kind of like the sticker kit that you can use, you know, like in your weekly planner. And this sheet has 3 full boxes, gorgeous boxes with this celestial design, the moon again. 2 sets of days of the week, so you can use it as headers, more headers when meeting, appointments, etc. Some icons, some heart checklist, little bows, and this is again holo foiling. And then this sheet, again, very beautiful, kind of moody, kind of celestial theme. We're getting 5 full boxes, little foil deco over there, so pretty. Some little washi strips, some little kind of, again, icons here. And then one more set of days of the week, so you can have, you know, 3 weeks of basically days of the week. And I love this box in particular. It's the little frame with a little moon and little flowers, so pretty. And then you're also getting a smaller sheet, and this sheet has 1 more full box, and then it has 5 half boxes, and this one is my favorite. More little teeny tiny deco, and then more heart checklist in holo foil, so beautiful. Now, in the sticker pack, we also get 1 sheet of the heart icons, dates in foil, which have the beautiful silver sparkler. Again, it's like the shattered glass effect, which you can use to date. You know, you can mark the date on your planner. And then we have the icons in this kind of like dreamy, kind of like the, you know, when the sky, when it comes to, it's turning from day to night, and there is a kind of soft pink sometimes in the background. It's so beautiful with holo foiling. And then we're getting a sheet of the seals, and this time we're not having, this is going to be a little hard to see, but this time we're not having the bows, but we're having the moons. Some are looking up, some are on the side, and they have this, they're very shiny, so it's these you can put on anything even that is kind of translucent, and it will show up, and they're beautiful. With the holo foiling, they are stunning. Now the next thing I want to share is this big, and I mean, this baby is big. I mean, look at my hands. So this is a beautiful vegan leather pouch, and this has the scalloped edge here on the flap. The vegan leather here is not stiff. This is very soft, and it has this beautiful gray with the holo foil design of the constellation on it, with a silver heart. It has a little kind of, not hook, but there is a you know, little place where you can attach your charm if you want to use one. Then when you open it up, is this kind of nude pink background. There is a little elastic where you can put your pen in, and then this is super roomy, so you can put your planner in here. You can use it for whatever you wish. I mean, you can use this even as a pochette to me. If you're going out at night, you just put your little thing and you could grab it, you know. I mean, there was one of their designers, very fancy designers that made pochettes like this. They didn't have the scallop edge, but people would use them as purses. So I don't, I wouldn't mind. I mean, if there was a way even of attaching a little chain to it, you can attach to a chain and turn it into a little crossbody. So never just use it for whatever the purpose you think that it's meant to, always think outside the box. But this one is beautiful, and it's very substantial. It's heavy. Then the next item, and I'm keeping my favorite item at the very end, but next item I want to talk about is the washi tape. It comes in this beautiful mailer, clear, with the little silver background, the little constellation right on it, and this is the washi that you receive. And so this is basically a Galaxy set, and so as Irene was saying, a Galaxy set is already $19 value right there just on the washi, and I am just in love. I have a whole section of my washi wall that's dedicated to my Galaxies, and so this will definitely go up there in a minute. But I just love it. It's a very kind of like, not just like softer, softer. I love these gradient colors, but let me go through each of the rolls. So first of all, we're starting with, and I haven't opened these for you guys yet, so there we go. So the first one is the 50mm bow washi with the beautiful gradient colors that go from like a kind of like a dark, like a light gray, super light gray, to a darker gray. It's just ombre color, beautiful. Then here we go, a 10mm with the ombre effect on the let me see if I can open, you guys. It's the little, there we go, little beautiful stars and little hearts. I just love it. Then we're having the moon, the crescent moon here, same. So it's a definitely like different from any other Galaxy you have. How gorgeous is this? I love the gradient colors. I love the foiling on them. It just pops. Even if the colors are very soft, it totally pops. Then we have a little washi with the so these are, we're getting into the perforated ones. So we have the Aurora Foil and these perforated ones. So you can see they're gonna be little kind of like the moon phases on it, with a softer white with the soft Aurora Foil on it. And then my favorite one, which has a design of the moon drops, and this is a gradient color with a little light blue grays, I would say, with the moon in the I think it's a little, but I think it looks like the silver sparkle foil, holo foil, and it goes into a pink. It's just really dreamy. I think as I was unrolling it, I'm trying to think of a way to describe it that it would, kind of do justice to it. So I would say dreamy, definitely dreamy. Then continuing with the washi that is oh my goodness, there we go. There you go, split up like this, perforated, that's the word I was looking for. Now we have the silver sparkle holo foil. These are the days of the week, so you can use them right on top of your little insert. Now I know that it's self-explanatory, but sometimes, not everybody may be familiar, so you can use them right here on there. So if you don't want to write your own dates, you can just use them right there. Then you can use the little stickers that came in the box to include them, have your dates written in, or you can just write them in. And then here we go, beautiful Galaxy, gorgeous background with the blues, with the grays, silver foiling, love it. Now if you buy the 5mm, so if you buy the full box, you will get all these washis. If you buy the washi only, you will get all these washi plus the 5mm add-on. So if you buy the washi only, you'll get the 5mm add-on. But the 5mm add-on is not included in the full box, so you can have it added for $6 additional. And if your box is not shipped yet, and you can just email me at customer service at hello@simplygilded.com, and I will send you an invoice to have it included. And it's just super pretty. We have this gradient little 5mm bow with the soft gray kind of, I would say it's a gray to a soft pink. There we go, with the little, I can't tell honestly, the bows are so little, it looks like it could be either a sparkler or a soft, you know, holo foil. Then we have this one that's split with the silver sparkler holo foil on top and the gray on the bottom, then the beautiful little celestial dark blue with the stars, and then here again the Aurora foil on a dark blue sky with the moons. Super, super pretty. Now, I've been keeping this kind of, I would call it masterpiece. I mean, this is just so beautiful. I mean, and you can kind of see me, so I have to kind of I have to angle it so I'm not seen on camera, guys, because I'm not camera ready. I'm not as pretty as these bows, as these washi. But how stunning is this? So here you can look at, I can put it down and you can look at my washi wall. But so we're getting this beautiful washi stand. And this washi stand is acrylic, and there's a base that's about 2 inches. This part of the washi stand where you can actually remove from the base and insert your washi on and then have it on display on your table, it's about 6 inches. And then we have about 2.5, 3 inches of this beautiful moon, and there's a beautiful little charm that you can attach, and Irene will have a little video on how to do this, but basically you'll just attach it with a little string. Now it comes all disassembled, so you'll have to put it together, but it's super easy, and it comes with a little you know, a little sticker right on top that you have to remove on the front and the back and on the front of the bottom part, so that it doesn't get ruined while in transit. And I'm trying too hard not to be seen on camera. There we go. You see my notes of the things I have to say, but here it goes. And let me so in order to put, and first of all, it says Simply Gilded on it, super cute. Let me get it, and then let me see how much washi will fit here. So hopefully there'll be less reflection. So I'm gonna just slide in basically all the washi in the base, and then you put it back in. And how stunning is that? And then you can just set it clearly, it's upside down because I wasn't planning it, but look how gorgeous is this. So this will go on your desk, standing up, not lying down like this, possibly, unless you like it lying down, with the little charm. But how gorgeous is this? I mean, to me, $30 for this box is just like, I don't even know, like, so you can still, like, let's see, let me get a couple more washi tape. So these are all the washi from the box plus the 5mm add-on. You can fit, let me see what I have here. You can fit, yeah, there we go. You can fit comfortably 3 more washi tapes if you would like, 3 more 15mm. So you can have, like, it would be nice to have all your washi for the month out so you don't forget, because I usually put them in drawers, or I have them in little you know, little dishes all around my desk. And so this is just so beautiful. So this comes in the box, and I'm just gonna take it out now and show you everything that's included. But again, the box, if you are a subscriber, you will receive a shipping confirmation by the end of the month. Again, I do customer service for the box, so I receive mine early. If you're not a subscriber, please, if you go on the website now and it's not available, please do not worry. We are currently processing orders for the current subscribers. So the box will be back on the website probably either very late today or sometimes tomorrow, but do not worry. And this is everything that is included, minus the mystery item, which I will not be sharing. So again, I hope you will love the celestial theme. It's absolutely stunning. It's even more beautiful in person. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email at hello@simplygilded.com, and I will be glad to answer any questions right away. And I hope you have all a wonderful, wonderful weekend.